Can you just call your mama? Where's your mom? Where's your mom? Can you call her? Can you call her? Can you just call her? Maybe she's coming in if you're calling her. Hmm? Yeah, call a little bit louder. I'm not sure that she can hear it. Can you call? Hmm? Where's your mama? Paris, adieu. Where's your mom? Can you call her? Can you call your mom? Say, Mom, where are you? Yeah, where is she? Where is she?